Alright, so how often should you clean your guns? Whenever they get dirty. Most times, especially when you buy a new gun, the manual will tell you to go out and you clean your gun after every time you shoot it. That's what you want to do. That is perfectly okay. I'm gonna just tell you, it's just not necessary. Most of these guns can shoot what we call shooting dirty. You can. Now if it gets filthy and you got stuff clogged all up in there, yeah, that's no good. So, but the best thing to do is figure out how many rounds it'll take before your gun gets in that condition. Most guys I know will go 500 to 1,000 rounds before they clean their gun. So that may be a good place to start. Like I said, it will fire dirty. My advice always is to keep them kind of lube them, oiled up. Don't let it get rusty. They will fight dirty. So a lot of times maybe add a little oil in between cleanings. So keep them lubed up. Just don't let them get filthy. They'll run dirty. They may not run filthy. All right. Keep them clean, but you ain't got to clean them out every time you shoot.